Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Collegedunia. And today I'll be telling you how you can know your college according to your CUET score. So first you have to search for the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, and once you see this you have to click on that, and after visiting the website you have to scroll down below and you'll see the college predictor section. You have to click over here and then you have to choose the course that you want to do and the exam. For example, today we'll be seeing for CUET. So you have to select CUET, and the course I want to do is, for example, BA, and then you have to select on Find Colleges. And once you select the Find Colleges, you'll be redirected to this page where you have to enter your marks, your reservation category, and the course. For example, I have marks of 350 and my reservation is general and the course is BA. Then you have to click on check results. So you'll see there are in total 31 colleges for which I qualify for, and these are all the colleges under my category. And if you want to know more, you can just select over here and it will redirect you to the page which has all the information about your course, about the fee structure, about the exam dates and everything. So you can see all the important details according to course over here. And if you want to know more and if you want to learn more about the course, you can definitely download the brochure from here. And if you want to see the colleges according to your preferences, according to your choice, then you can select the option over here that says filter, and you can select the option, for example, the state or the city or the year, substream, degree type and category that you want to pursue, and then apply the changes, and you'll see all the options that are available under your category, and everything will be available on the website. So if you have any other question, then you can definitely comment down below, or you can just visit the website, that is collegedunia.com. Thank you.